Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is February the 4th, 2021. We're going to give you all an update price prediction for Cardano paired against Tether. Now, before I go into that, again, if you guys appreciate getting a heads up as to where we're expecting the market to go, make sure before you leave this video, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. I also want to plug you all in on our second YouTube channel to which we conduct stock price predictions. So if you want to see our stock price predictions, make sure you head on over to our second channel. Make sure you subscribe there as well. You want to tap that bell notification there too, so you do not miss out on whenever we upload our stock price predictions in the stock market. Now, if this is your first time watching our particular video, I want you all to understand that one thing that we focus on this channel is the trap. Now, the trap is the individual who controls the price movements in every market, right? He lays out traps for us to catch us in bad positions, and for us, it's our job to make sure that we alleviate that from happening. We cannot see us being placed in bad positions, so we need to follow his breadcrumbs. We need to follow his positions on what he does on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, even on a monthly basis. We're able to gauge how he feels in terms of where he wants to take the market. And you do that by looking at the price bars and the volume. And once you're able to see that and see for what it means, then you're also able to get in position to capitalize on the next movement. We've been doing that here on this particular channel since 2017. So it is possible for you to predict the market. And here's one such situation. We did our video for Cardano on the first day of February, and I'm going to zoom in. I want you all to see this, right? We did it on the 29th of January 2021, but our update was on the 1st of February. We kept our prediction the same. We did not adjust our prediction, and we gave reasons on that particular video why we wasn't going to adjust our price prediction. And as you all can see, the market did precisely what we expected it to do. Now, we created this prediction all the way back on the 29th. So it took a while for the market to actually play out. All right. It took us a couple of days for the trap to actually tag our ultimate take profit area, which is about 10.5%. But nevertheless, we understood that the trap wanted to take the price higher, and that is what he did. So we were already in position. We was waiting on him to take the price to where we expected it to go. That is how you're able to capitalize and profit in this market. So congratulations on those who was able to take that forecast, that prediction. If you saw the same thing, congratulations, because you was already in position for this price in Cardano to come up towards 40 cents. Okay, so let's go ahead and take that away. And now the question that we need to talk about is, can this be maintained? I mean, one thing that we talked about for Cardano was that the price had to trade above 32 cents in order for us to continue to see this market go higher, and it has done that. So the market is all the way up here trading around 42 cents. So is this line applicable? And I would say it's not. So what we can do is get rid of it. And now let's zoom out and pay attention to the trend that Cardano is in. We're still in a bullish trend into the market for Cardano at this moment. Nothing has changed. The market is definitely in a massive uptrend. That doesn't look to be in jeopardy right now. I mean, we're trading far away from the trend, which means that even in the instance that Cardano was to come down in price, the market can drop, 16%, and it will still be in an uptrend. So if the market was to crash, i.e. drop double digits, the market will still be in an uptrend for the most part. Right. Okay. So let's go ahead and take that away. I just wanted to show you all that. And let's start off looking at the 3-day time frame into the market in Cardano. Okay. One thing I wanted to show you is the volume that came in on that last completed 3-day price bar. We haven't seen them in the volume since the 16th of January. So it was a lot of volatility on that last completed 3-day price bar. You guys can see right here. We went lower, we shot higher, and we closed off the high. So it was a mixed bag on this 3-day price bar. So that's kind of like inconclusive. On the 5-day time frame, pretty much the same thing. We have 12 hours and 40 minutes left for Cardano to complete it, but it's pretty much inconclusive as well. What about on the 2-day time frame? 2-day time frame, you guys can see that we've seen some increased volume as well. So what is going on into the market in Cardano around 44-45 cents? It seems to us that the trap is taking the brunt of the selling. Like, he's not willing to try to take the price lower in Cardano just yet, at least not in the long term, because when you look at it on the monthly time frame, you guys can see here that the strength, even from the month of January, that we're still amping to push this price higher in Cardano. Now, trade around 42-45 cents. I mean, on this particular exchange, I know that Cardano has made higher price move on other exchanges, but when you look at it on this particular market, this Binance exchange, it's less history here, right? So trading at these areas that we haven't seen the market in Cardano trade in since, 2017, 2018, we need to be a little bit more vigilant into how reactive the price can be in Cardano, especially being the cryptocurrency market. All right, so let me look at this on a hourly time frame real quick, because you all can see here that yes, we are understanding that there is some restriction coming in around 45 cents. Let me show that to you. Okay, and I say that because of the volume that came in on these two 11-hour price bars plus the current one that just got completed. Okay, we're definitely seeing some hints that the market is not wanting to break this 45 cent to the upside, but it's maintaining it, like it's building its next calls to try to go over there and break it. Okay, you can also see it here on the 13-hour time frame that the market in Cardano is not necessarily reacting negatively to the selling. Like, the market is still trying to continue to show that higher price movement. 15-hour time frame, pretty much the same thing. You can see that on a 7-hour time frame. The only concern is 45 cents, right? Looking at these hourly time frames, the market in Cardano just looks to, for the most part, trade sideways, but the inducement of weakness is still here as well, especially the longer that we trade in this range between 41 cents and 45, and we don't break that 45 cents to the upside, we're not going to go higher. Okay, so what we're going to do right now on this particular forecast is we're going to continue to place some of this weakness in the market. I'm not going to say it's a lot of weakness, but it is there. So let's go ahead and play that weakness in the market in Cardano. And I'm going to take that restriction up there towards around 46-47 cents. Okay, and right here is where we're looking for the market in Cardano to try to come and tag around 40 cents. So we would TP the market in Cardano around 40 cents, which would be about another 6%, 6.5% market movement lower. But we're going to take it down here to around 38. Okay, so it's not a lot, but generally we can still see this market in Cardano trade sideways. That's what I'm looking at for the most part. Is for the market in Cardano to trade sideways for the next couple of days, and then from there it'll give us more opportunity to see how the trap feels, if he's still wanting to increase the price. But for the moment, I mean, we got to play it for what it is. This is our expectations. Now, it's your turn. Do you see anything different? I mean, let everyone else know with a comment in the comment section to tell us, what do you see? Where do you expect Cardano to be in the next 3 days? Just like we did on our last video, you need to make sure that you're in position to capitalize on his price movement. So where are you headed? Let us know with a comment in the comment section. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, you know what to do. Trade different.